RV battery chargers ensure reliable power, extend battery life, prevent deep discharge, and keep RV systems running during travel or storage. Today's video is about top 5 best RV battery chargers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Yunhan car battery charger, this 20A smart battery charger stands out as a fast and versatile solution for maintaining both 12V and 24V batteries. With its 7-stage charging system, it efficiently supports a wide range of battery types including AGM, GL, EFB, SLA, and LiFePO4, making it ideal for cars, motorcycles, boats, and more. Compared to standard 6A or 10A chargers, it delivers noticeably quicker charging performance. One of its most useful features is the seasonal smart mode, which adjusts charging based on temperature, perfect for winter storage or long holidays. The built-in safety protections, including overcharge, reverse polarity, and short-circuit protection, add confidence during use. The pulse repair function is a valuable addition, helping to revive idle batteries and extend lifespan, though it won't fix completely dead ones. The large LCD display is bright and informative, showing real-time charging data clearly even in sunlight. Overall, this charger is a reliable, feature-rich tool for battery maintenance, offering safety, efficiency, and convenience in one compact device. Now our second product is eFast Smart Car Battery Charger. This all-in-one battery charger delivers impressive versatility, combining a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator in a single unit. With 12V 20A and 24V 10A output, it's powerful enough for fast charging while still being suitable for a wide range of batteries, including AGM, GL, SLA, and deep cycle types used in cars, boats, motorcycles, and farm equipment. The 7-stage automatic charging system is a standout feature, intelligently adapting to the battery's condition. From desulfurization to float charging, each phase is designed to optimize performance and extend battery life without requiring manual adjustments. Safety is well covered with multiple protections like reverse polarity, overheating, and short-circuit safeguards, making it reliable in different environments. The pulse repair function adds extra value by helping restore older or idle batteries, though it won't revive completely dead ones. The clear display enhances usability by showing real-time voltage, current, and charging progress, automatically stopping at full charge. Overall, it's a dependable and efficient solution for everyday battery maintenance. Our third product is CoreBox Trickle Charger for Car. This all-climate battery charger is built for reliability in extreme conditions, operating smoothly from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Its intelligent temperature compensation and adaptive winter/summer modes ensure optimal charging performance year-round, while the weatherproof design adds durability for outdoor use. With a 10A fast charging capability, it automatically detects 12V and 24V systems and charges up to 40% faster than typical 6A units. The LCD display provides real-time data on voltage, current, and power, making monitoring simple and accurate. It's compatible with a wide range of batteries, including AGM, GL, SLA, flooded, and LiFePO4, making it suitable for cars, RVs, boats, and more. The diagnostic and recovery features are particularly useful. Pulse repair technology helps restore sulfated batteries, and the forced output mode can revive deeply drained ones, though not completely dead batteries. Safety is well addressed with protections against reverse polarity, overload, and short circuits. Compact yet powerful, this charger is a smart, user-friendly solution for extending battery life and maintaining performance across various applications. Now number 4, TowerTop Smart Car Battery Charger. The TowerTop 12V battery charger is a powerful and efficient solution for fast, reliable battery maintenance. With 4 adjustable current settings, 2A/10A/25A/auto, it easily adapts to different needs, and its 25A max output can charge a 100Ah battery in under 3.5 hours. The 85% efficiency rating makes it noticeably faster and more energy-saving than standard chargers. Its fully automatic operation adds real convenience. Simply connect it, and it starts charging within seconds. After reaching full charge, it switches to maintenance mode, preserving battery health and even restoring power if voltage drops. The 8-stage smart charging system ensures optimal performance, while the HD LCD screen clearly displays real-time charging status. The built-in repair and desulfurization modes help revive aging batteries, though it won't fix completely dead ones. The 100A engine start feature is a bonus, especially in emergencies, and the winter mode enhances performance in cold conditions. With broad compatibility and comprehensive safety protections, this ETL certified charger is a dependable, feature-rich choice for everyday use. And our last choice is Hisido Car Smart Battery Charger. The Hisido Battery Charger is a powerful and fast charging solution designed for both emergency and everyday use. With a strong 20A output for 12V systems and 10A for 24V, it delivers up to 200% faster charging compared to standard 8A/10A chargers, making it especially useful for SUVs, pickups, and farm vehicles in cold start situations. One of its standout features is the dedicated lithium and LiFePO4 charging algorithm. Unlike basic chargers, it offers separate modes for lithium, LiFePO4, and lead-acid batteries, ensuring safer and more precise voltage control to protect sensitive BMS systems and expensive batteries. The large LCD display enhances usability by showing real-time voltage, current, temperature, and battery percentage, giving full transparency during charging. It also supports automatic 12V/24V detection and includes a pulse repair mode to help revive older or idle batteries, though it cannot recover completely dead, 0V, batteries. A useful forced charging mode adds flexibility for low-voltage detection issues. Overall, it's a smart, high-speed, and safety-focused charger for demanding users. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.